Hello YouTube. I'm gonna cover Soccer Mommy, and the song is Circle the Drain. I like her album Color Theory quite a bit. But this song is more of a intermediate song. It's probably not a good song for beginners. So, you know, beginners can learn it if they want to, but it's just gonna be difficult. She's playing it with bar chords at the 5th, 10th, and 7th frets. Because the chords to this song, at least in the first verse, are A, and that's what she plays on the 5th. D, she plays that on the 10th. B minor, she plays that on the 7th, and then back to D on the 10th. But I realize you're hearing multiple guitars. Anytime you hear this song, you're hearing more than one guitar. So it's not just what she's playing, it's the whole, there's other guitars. So I think this is the best way for one person to play it. And there's a pause. There's 2 sections to each verse. All right? Come like the soft summer rain on your back, like the fall of your shoulders. But everything just brings me back to the cold hot ground and keeps getting older. So the 2 sections are broken up by where they pause on the B minor. Okay, so it's A, D, B minor, A, A, D, B minor, where it holds it for 4 beats. All right, everything else is 2 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The chorus is different, but uses the same chords, but it's got a different rhythm. All right, when we come to the end of the second verse, we have a pre-chorus. Okay, we're hanging on that B minor for 1, 2, 3, 4. Things feel low sometimes, even though everything's fine. Then it goes into the chorus. So we play 3 minor chords in this pre-chorus. F sharp minor at the 2nd fret. C sharp minor at the 4th fret. And then D is major. And then B minor at the 2nd fret. All right, now the chorus is very similar to the verse. One difference you'll notice is that they do this walking bass thing. I'm not going to cover that. All right, we're going to just leave the walking bass out. All right, but it's very similar in that it uses the same chords as the verse. Falling apart these days, split open to my heart, going round and round and round and round, down the drain I'm going down. The difference is that all the way until the end, it just gives each chord 2 beats. There's no pause on B minor. like there was in the verse. They just keep going, alternating until the end. That's the only place it pauses. It goes back to the verse. Okay, I'll put a link to the live performance that I used, to listen and learn this song. It's WFUV. Soccer Mommy did a live performance for them, and you can check it out. You can see she's got 3 guitarists. I'll probably do some more Soccer Mommy songs. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.